As of today, March 31st, 2026, the T-Mobile website, tmobile.com, is currently operational. While it is up and running now, the site experienced a significant outage on March 28th, 2026, due to a distributed denial of service (DDoS) attack. Some users may still experience slow load times in certain regions. On March 28th, a large-scale DDoS attack targeted T-Mobile's infrastructure, disrupting access to critical services like account management, billing, and device activation. This DDoS attack overwhelmed servers with excessive traffic, similar to how multiple requests flood a system over time. The outage lasted approximately 12 hours and affected millions of users, preventing normal service access. T-Mobile has since implemented enhanced DDoS mitigation measures to strengthen their defenses against future attacks. A distributed denial of service attack, or DDoS, works by overwhelming a server with massive amounts of traffic from many different sources. This flood of requests makes the server unable to respond to legitimate users. Imagine this like a traffic jam on the internet. Normal traffic flows smoothly, but when too many vehicles flood the road at once, everything comes to a standstill. This illustration shows how a DDoS attacker uses zombie computers to send massive amounts of data to targeted servers, overwhelming them and denying service to legitimate users. Here's the key difference. A DOS attack comes from a single source with limited traffic, while a DDoS attack uses a coordinated network of compromised computers, or botnet, to generate far more traffic and make the attack much harder to stop. Companies like T-Mobile offer DDoS protection services to defend against these attacks, using advanced monitoring and mitigation tools to keep websites accessible. Telecom websites store enormous amounts of sensitive customer data, including personal information, payment details, and location tracking data. This wealth of valuable information makes them highly attractive to cybercriminals seeking to steal or exploit it. These websites also play a crucial role in delivering essential communication services. They connect millions of people, support business operations, and enable emergency communications, making their disruption particularly impactful. When these sites are attacked, it creates widespread chaos. Communication breakdowns can affect daily life, business continuity, and even emergency response systems, amplifying the damage far beyond the website itself. The financial impact is severe as well. Outages lead to lost revenue from interrupted services, high recovery costs, and potential regulatory fines, all while eroding customer trust and market position. Following the March 28th DDoS attack, T-Mobile quickly activated their incident response protocols to restore services. Teams worked around the clock to mitigate the attack and bring systems back online. To prevent future incidents, T-Mobile implemented enhanced security measures, including upgraded DDoS mitigation systems, strengthened firewalls, and multi-layer defense architectures. T-Mobile utilizes AI-driven monitoring tools to detect and respond to threats more effectively. These systems process billions of events daily, auto-triage alerts in under 1 minute, and significantly reduce analyst response times from hours to minutes. Their incident response plan follows a structured timeline, achieving a median recovery time of 4 hours. This includes quick detection and verification in minutes, followed by rapid response and remedy implementation. Overall, T-Mobile's effective response and recovery strategies demonstrate their commitment to cybersecurity resilience and continuous improvement. T-Mobile has experienced several significant outages that have shaped their approach to reliability and security. A major incident occurred during the 2022 Sprint merger on August 15th, when a software migration error caused over 12 hours of downtime, affecting 47 million users. Cloud service dependencies also create risks, as seen in the 2023 AWS outage that led to a 4-hour partial disruption of T-Mobile services. These incidents underscore the importance of cybersecurity measures, system redundancy, proactive monitoring with AI, and diversified hosting to minimize downtime and protect customer data. The future of telecom security focuses on proactive measures like blockchain-based authentication, which uses decentralized ledgers for secure verification. Quantum-resistant encryption protects against advanced computing threats, while zero-trust architectures assume no user or system is inherently trustworthy. Telecom companies are also implementing hybrid cloud strategies that integrate on premise infrastructure with public and private clouds for better flexibility and resilience. International collaborations enable sharing of threat intelligence and coordinated responses to global cyber risks. Together, these methods are expected to significantly reduce future downtime by enhancing security and response capabilities. Industry experts emphasize the significant economic and reputational costs associated with website outages in the telecom sector. These incidents can severely impact a company's bottom line and customer trust. Downtime can cost telecom companies thousands of dollars per minute, leading to substantial financial losses from missed transactions and operational disruptions. For T-Mobile specifically, the average cost of downtime is approximately $5,600 per minute, highlighting the critical need for rapid response and prevention strategies. Beyond financial losses, outages result in decreased customer satisfaction and reputational damage, as shown by reduced service ratings and user feedback. To minimize these impacts, robust security measures and comprehensive resilience training are essential for maintaining network stability and customer confidence.